you watch my videos?
No.
Really?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom.
We were about to put the pie in the oven. She came up with oh, let's beat an egg and pour it over the top. Just totally called an audible, just off the cuff.
Yeah,
You know,
it was pretty
I
off the
impressed.
cuff, but also that's a pretty common thing to do. The pie crust is so good.
For those special moments, Talenti gelato.
I'm unimpressed again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what mom and dad say.
yeah, they do say that a lot.
Shout out to Hey Kid Long Table Wines, our designated rolling pin. Could not find the rolling pin. We searched for a solid like 20 seconds too.
Yeah, 25
25 seconds. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Check out my Insta. More
Check out
pics
her
there.
Insta.
He also doesn't follow me on Instagram. It's so rude.
I don't have an Instagram.
Right, well, you should have one just for me.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
I would, but I don't care about you.
And he's a smartass. So,
Yeah.
stellar combo there.
I'm engaging in rhetoric with your viewership.
Well, that's not a lot of people.